Welcome to this comprehensive guide on augmented reality and virtual reality. In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of these groundbreaking technologies, understand their differences, discover their real-world applications, and look at the exciting future ahead. Whether you are new to these concepts or seeking to deepen your knowledge, this series will provide you with a complete understanding of AR and VR and their impact on our world. Augmented reality, or AR, is technology that overlays digital information onto the real world in real time. Instead of replacing what you see, AR enhances your surroundings by adding digital elements on top of them. The process works in 3 simple steps. First, cameras and sensors capture your physical environment. Second, software processes this information and determines what digital content to display. Third, digital elements are rendered and appear integrated into your real world. The result is a seamless blend where physical and digital worlds coexist in the same space. Virtual reality, or VR, is technology that creates a fully simulated environment, replacing the real world entirely with a digital one. Unlike augmented reality, VR provides complete immersion. Here is how it works. Hardware such as a VR headset blocks your view of the real world and displays a computer-generated scene instead. Tracking technology monitors your head, hands, and body movements continuously. This allows you full interaction and control within the virtual space. You can manipulate objects, move around, and explore freely. The experience is complete isolation from your physical environment, giving you the sensation of being somewhere else entirely. Now let's compare augmented reality and virtual reality across 5 important dimensions. Experience. Augmented reality enhances your real world by adding to it, while virtual reality replaces your real world completely. Devices. AR works on smartphones, tablets, and special glasses, making it easily accessible. VR requires dedicated headsets. User awareness. With AR, you remain aware of your real surroundings. With VR, you are completely isolated from the real world. Interaction. AR gives you partial control over digital elements, while VR provides full immersive control of the entire environment. Accessibility. AR is highly accessible since most people have smartphones, while VR requires expensive specialized equipment. Augmented reality and virtual reality have diverse applications across different fields. Augmented reality is used in retail for virtual try-ons and furniture placement, in navigation for overlay maps and directions, in education for interactive learning materials, in healthcare for surgery guidance and medical visualization, and in entertainment through face filters and location-based games. Virtual reality is used in gaming for immersive game worlds, in training for flight simulators and surgical practice, in therapy for treating phobias and trauma, in architecture for virtual building walkthroughs, and in tourism to virtually explore distant locations without leaving home. The AR and VR market is experiencing explosive growth. The global market exceeds $100 billion in 2025. More than 2 billion mobile AR users are active worldwide. The annual growth rate remains strong at 22 to 30%. This rapid expansion reflects the increasing adoption of these technologies across industries. Major investments from technology companies are driving innovation. New applications are emerging constantly. Artificial intelligence integration is creating more personalized experiences. Haptic gloves with realistic texture feedback are enhancing immersion. Lighter and more affordable devices are becoming available. 5G networks are enabling seamless cloud-powered experiences. These trends indicate that AR and VR are transitioning from niche technologies to mainstream tools. Despite their potential, AR and VR face significant challenges. High costs are a major barrier. Development requires expensive hardware and specialized talent. The return on investment is difficult to justify for many businesses. Technical limitations persist. Even small delays in processing cause immersion to break. Heavy computational demands strain current hardware. Hardware limitations remain problematic. Applications work differently across different devices. Equipment is still too expensive for average consumers. Data and privacy concerns are growing. These technologies collect extensive user data, raising security questions. Robust data protection measures are essential as adoption increases. The future holds exciting solutions to current challenges. 5G technology and cloud computing will revolutionize the field. Streaming of complex scenes will become seamless. Latency will drop below 5 milliseconds, ensuring true immersion. Cloud computation will reduce the processing burden on devices. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will drive personalization. Adaptive experiences will tailor to each user's preferences. Real-time object and gesture recognition will improve accuracy. Better resource management will optimize performance. Hardware evolution is underway. Devices are becoming lighter and more wearable. Haptic feedback will provide realistic tactile sensations. All-day battery life will enable continuous use. Security standards are being established. End-to-end encryption will protect user data. Privacy controls will give users ownership over their information. Industry regulations and standards will ensure safe adoption. The future of AR and VR spans numerous promising fields. In healthcare, surgeons will perform operations guided by artificial intelligence for unprecedented precision. Virtual reality therapy will treat PTSD and phobias effectively. Medical training will rely on realistic simulations. In education, students will conduct virtual chemistry and physics experiments safely. Historical events will come alive through immersive environments. Learning will become accessible for people with different abilities. In enterprise, remote teams will collaborate in immersive virtual spaces. Employees will develop skills through on-the-job training in simulated environments. Three-dimensional product visualization will revolutionize design processes. These applications will transform how we work, learn, and heal. Let's examine the scale of the AR and VR industry through key statistics. The global market has reached over $100 billion in 2025. This represents massive investment and adoption. More than 2 billion mobile augmented reality users are active worldwide. This demonstrates widespread consumer acceptance. The annual growth rate is between 22 and 30%, showing consistent expansion. In retail, 80% of retailers are implementing augmented reality by 2025. Augmented reality engagement boosts conversion rates by 90%, directly impacting sales. 61% of consumers prefer retail experiences enhanced with augmented reality. These numbers demonstrate that AR and VR have moved beyond experimental technology into practical business tools that deliver real value. As we conclude, here are the essential points to remember. First, augmented reality enhances reality by adding digital content, while virtual reality creates completely immersive virtual worlds that replace reality. Second, the market is growing rapidly with over $100 billion in value and 2 billion users. Both technologies are now mainstream in healthcare, retail, education, and enterprise applications. Third, challenges remain. High development costs, hardware limitations, latency issues, and privacy concerns still require solutions. Fourth, the future is bright. The combination of 5G networks, artificial intelligence, haptic technology, and lighter devices will unlock unprecedented possibilities. Expect AR and VR to become essential tools in every industry. As these technologies mature, they will fundamentally reshape how we work, learn, communicate, and experience the world around us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.